For more than 15 years, APsystems has worked with homeowners around the world to turn clean energy goals into real results. In 2013, Mr. Su became the first person in Chongming, Shanghai to install a rooftop solar system with APsystems microinverters, kicking off a lasting relationship. I used to work in marine electrical engineering, so I understood power systems. When China introduced solar subsidies in 2013, I noticed APsystems microinverters were used in one of the first home installations in Shanghai. I decided to give it a shot with a 1.5 kilowatt system using their first Gen YC200. My family had concerns at first, but after our first bill dropped by over 100 RMB, they were on board. As the system continued performing reliably, Mr. Su saw the long-term value: lower bills and energy independence. He's expanded his system 3 times since 2013. Expanding was simple. With microinverters, you just add panels, no need to rewire anything. It's like adding pieces to a puzzle. Now the system produces over 2,000 kilowatt hours a month. We save money and sell excess power back to the grid. It paid for itself in 7 to 8 years. Everything after that is just savings. Microinverters were definitely the right choice. For Mr. Su, safety is just as important as performance, especially at home. I chose microinverters because they don't use high voltage DC power, which reduces the risk of electric shock. Now, even with kids and older family members around, I don't have to worry. Plus, I can check the system's status and energy output anytime on my phone or computer. It gives me real peace of mind. Safety and ease of use make it easier to bring green energy into daily life. And with APsystems microinverter tech, performance is optimized panel by panel. In my sunroom, some panels get shaded in the morning. But since each microinverter works independently, that shading doesn't affect the rest of the system. It keeps everything running efficiently. What started as a personal project grew into a full-time mission. Mr. Su's connection with APsystems has become a long-term partnership, built on trust and shared goals. Working with APsystems changed my career path. Their microinverters are reliable and easy to install. Solar isn't just about cutting electric bills, it's about reducing emissions and creating a better future. That's why I made the switch to the solar industry in 2015. I wanted to help others benefit from it, too. It is this belief in making clean energy accessible to all that drives Mr. Su to continuously expand his green business footprint. Mr. Su has installed PV systems for the Chongming Island Village Committee and the Party Mass Service Center, and built over 30 residential PV systems on Hengsha Island, ensuring that green electricity truly benefits local residents. APsystems doesn't just supply great tech, they support us with training and resources. After working on so many systems over the years, I can say their reliability is proven. The systems rarely need maintenance. It's a brand I trust, and so do my customers. Big changes start with small steps and a little courage. Mr. Su's journey started with his own home. But today, he's helping build a cleaner, more sustainable community.